everyone, welcome to TryRide Pack 365. Myself Sujit. So today in this session we are going to cover our next operator, that is logical operator. Okay guys, if you have any doubt till this session you can directly contact to TryRides. Okay guys, what is logical operator? Okay, first I'll give you what are the different type of operator that are available in this logical operator. Then we can understand what is the use of this operator. Okay, to achieve this logical operator in Python, we have three options. One will be called and, another one will be called or, and last one will be called not. So by the help of these three operator, we can find our logical operator in our Python. Okay, so what is the use of this each and everything we are going to see. Guys, might be you are seeing this get means and get or get and not get in our college life. Okay, so first I will give you that get, then I could explain you, because after if you are good in this logic get, then you can easily tackle that particular things. Okay, first we are going to discuss about this and. Okay, so what is and get or and operator means? If both condition are get true, then only this means every time this operator we give the answer in the form of boolean only. Okay, so I'll give you that theoretical point and at last I'll provide you the truth table. Okay. These operator work on the truth table. Operator work on the truth table. Okay. Then the next point means based on this truth table, I can give you point. Okay. If both the condition, sorry guys, if both the condition are true, then and operator give the boolean value as true. Means every time it will be returning as the boolean value as true. But there might some example, there might be it will be replying on our value based on the operand. Okay. Then the next point. Okay. So I'll provide you the get, then only you can understand these remaining two gets. Okay, 2 points. So I'm creating that particular fast the truth table. Okay, so guys, just see. I'll just create, then I could explain you that particular thing. Okay, so guys, if you see here, in while we are using this truth table on this AND gate, means if both conditions are become true, at that case only it gives you the true as my output. Every time if one condition also become false, it will gives you the output as false. Means we can say that in the AND gate there might be chance that we need to check both the condition. Means we cannot tell that if first condition it become true, then the result will be false. But if one condition is become false, okay, if one condition is become false, we can say that this is a false, means the output will be false. Means based on this logic we can tell that the last weapon of this AND operator, if the first condition is true, then only controller, obviously in every time our Python controller will check the condition, then the controller check the second condition, otherwise it not check. If the first condition it become false only, why it going to check that particular thing. Okay, then if the first condition is false, when the controller does not execute the second condition. Okay, means in AND gate every time it will be depends upon our false condition. If one condition become true, there might be the second condition might be false. That's why we need to check both hand condition. Okay, so this is our AND gate that are available in our Python. Now we are going to discuss about our OR operator. So what is OR operator, guys? Means if one condition is become true, one condition became true, then the OR operator gives true as my output. Means in this case it will be checking only one condition. Means I'll give you that particular condition, then you can get a clear picture on that. I'll give you the truth table. Okay, so guys, here I need to pass, so yeah, false. Just a second, guys. Yeah, so I'll pass false, true, false, false. If guys see, you can predict that here if one condition is become true, here two condition become true, mean it must be true. Okay, in the OR condition, then if you see here one condition become true, it's always true. If you see here one condition it become true, it's always true. If you see here one condition will become false and another condition, means in your OR gate it will be checking the both hand side. If one condition becoming false, we need to check the second one. There might be chances that that condition become true. That's why based on these two condition, we can find the 2 point of this. Okay, if the first condition is false, then OR operator execute the second. But if the first condition is true, then it always gives true as my boolean value. Okay, and for the not it will be opposite. If you are taking true, every time it will be gives you false. If you are taking false, it will be giving you true. So now guys, we are discussing our remaining example regarding on this. Okay, first we are going to check some basic, then we are going to see some tricky question that might be asked in the interview. Okay guys, I'll take two value. Okay, value 1 equal to 420 and value 2 equal to 100. Okay, now first I am going to give you in every example in your and then or. Okay guys, so first I'll check value 1 greater than value 2. Okay, and value 1 less than equal to value 2. Now, if you guys see, our Python controller first create these two value in our memory location, then it will be come to here. Okay. If you see value 1 become value 2, means 420 is greater than value 2, 100 is correct. Now if you are see that it will be taking and operator means if one condition becomes true, second might be checked, because if one condition become false in our and operator, then we can say that this will be false. Means first condition it will be become true, but there might be chance that this condition become false, guys. Okay, if you see value 1 less than value 2, 420 less than 100, guys, not, it will be false. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be give me the output as false, because here I am using my condition as my true, but I am using and. Okay, that's why. Now I need to check the second condition, value 1. Okay, value 1 greater than 400 and value 2 greater than 50. Now if I'm going to run this one, means value 1 420 will be greater than 400. Yeah, it's correct. Now then it will need to check this one, 100 greater than 50. Yeah, it's also correct. If both condition become true, in that case it will be give me the output as my true, guys. Just see. Okay guys, then the next example, guys, just see value 1 less than value 2. Okay, and then value 1, okay, value 1 greater than value 2. Guys, just see, sorry guys, value 1 greater than value 2. If you guys see here, we know that value 1 less than value 2. 420 less than 100 means it will be only checking this condition, because if first condition it become false, it will be always giving you the false as my output. Okay guys, now if I'm checking a non-existing value, okay, value 1 greater than value 2 and value 2 greater than value 3. If you are going to create like that, it's always give you the error. Okay, means there will be no value declaring name error. Okay guys, so this is how you can find your AND operator that are available in our Python. Okay, this is our some basic example you need to understand. Whenever we are going to see some tricky question, okay, then you can get a clear picture on that how it going to work in your day-to-day life. Okay guys, now I'm taking these two value only, but I will be using the OR operator. Okay, so just see value 1 greater than value 2 or value 1 less than value 2. Just see guys, value 1 will be greater than value 2, means 420 greater than 100. It's correct guys. Means if one condition it becomes true, it will be not even checking this one. Guys, just see value 1 less than value 2. No guys. But if one condition it becomes true, it not even checking the second one. Guys, just see, but this condition it will be false. But it don't care about that. Okay. Now, if I'm going to check this one, value 1 greater than 500 or value 2 less than 150. Can I just see value 1 greater than 500? No guys, it will false, means this one will be 420 will be not greater, means it will be giving me false as my output. But I need to check this one also, because if one condition become true, then only we can say. If one condition become false, there might be chance that other condition it become false also. Value 2 less than 150, value 2 100, 100 less than 150. Yes guys, it will also false. Guys, just see, it gives me true as, oh sorry guys, here I am keeping as my value 2 was 100. Okay guys, just see here, this condition it will be become true, that's why it gave me true. If I'm here, I am changing this one, now it will be give me false as my output. Okay guys, means we need to check both hand side value, and for your not get, it will be always giving you the opposite answer. Okay guys, just I want to show you some example. So guys, just see value 1 greater than 300. Just see, 420 will be greater than 300. Yes, it's correct. Now it will be give me true as my output. Okay, but if I'm using one condition not operator, then it will be changing the entire direction. Now it will be give me false as my output. So this is the little example there might be asked, but now we are going to discuss some example there might be chance that they will be asked in the interview. Okay guys, kindly focus on that. So guys, I think I'll tell you there are some falsy value that are available in Python. If you are guys not go through that part, I suggest that you need to go through the previous video. Wherever I am discussing that, you need to understand that particular things. Okay, so now I just want to explain you that one more time, what are the falsy values that are available in our Python. So the first value will be 0, then 0.0, then the false, then the 0j, then we have the empty string, then we have empty list, then we have empty tuple, then we have empty set or set function. This is called your dictionary. Okay, then we have the dict function. Okay, and the last one will be none. So remaining all this value means there are some 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 11 value. Rest of this value, all value that are available, if you can imagine, there will be treated as my truthy value. Now guys, if I'm giving some tricky value 4 and 7, guys, there will be no chance that there will be giving the answer in the form of boolean. That's why I'm telling there might be chance when they will be giving the real value. Now if you know that in your AND gate, if one condition become true, the second condition shall be checked. Okay, if you see here both condition are become true, means 4 is also true and 7 is also true. So here it will be checking the recent value. Means we know that in AND, first value also check. If it's become true, again it will be checking that 7. Means the recent truthy value will be 7. So here it will be give me the value as me 7 as my output. Guys, just see. Okay guys. Now the next one will be 11 and 0. We know that 11 is a truthy value, but we are using a 0 as my false value. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be give me the false, because here one condition it will become false, it will be give you false as my output. If you see here, the recent false value will be 0 because 11 is a truthy value. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be give me 0 as my output. Okay, so the next one will be 0j, sorry, I'll type oj. So 0j and none. Guys, just see, it also a false value, it also a false value. But guys, in your AND condition, if one condition become it will be false, then the next condition would be not checking. So if you see 0j, it will be false. Directly your controller give you the output as my 0j, because none is also a false, but it will be not checking. That's why it will be give me the output. Now guys, just see, I am using 0.001 and the empty list. Now if I'm going to run one, guys, this is a truthy value because 0.0 will be false, but 0.001 is a truthy value. That's why here it will be taking the recent false value. So these are our some tricky questions that might be asked. There will be some and. Now we are going to check in the sum of our OR. Okay, in the OR how it goes to work. Guys, if I'm checking -4 and 0.001, we know that these two are truthy value. Okay, but in the AND condition, it will be checking the recent truthy value. Okay, so I forgot to keep that. Okay, so I'll take OR. If I'm taking OR, we know that if one condition it becomes true, the next one it will be not checking. If you see here, -4 will be a truthy value. That's why whenever I am going to run this one, so it will be give me -4. Guys, minus it will be not compared as your false value. Okay, the remaining 8 means remaining this value, all value are treated as your false value only, sorry, truthy value only. Okay, make sure that. Then the next one will be -420 or 0. If you see here guys, we are using a false value, but in OR condition it will be saying that if one condition it become true, then you don't need to check the second condition. So 420 also a truthy value, that's why it will be not checking the second condition. That's why here it will be give you 420 as my output. Guys, just see the next question will be the empty dictionary and the 6 as my list. Okay guys, it will be not a set. Okay, so this will be treated as my dictionary. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be taking the recent truthy value. So the recent truthy value will be list 6 because your empty list will be a false value. That's why. Okay guys, so now we are going to face some new questions. Okay, so the next question will be, if I'm guys going to print this one, what is my output? I just tell you. Okay, I'm taking true and false. Okay, or true. Guys, just see, we know that if in your AND condition, if one condition become true, it will be checking the false one. If you see here, it will be finding a false value. That's why if you are seeing, after it will be checking for this one, it will be completing this one. Okay, now if you see here, one OR condition will be there, means one false will be finding here. But if you see here, OR will be there. That's why false or true means or condition. If one condition become true, it give you true. That's why it will be give me true as my output. If I'm taking one means if here I am changing this entire thing, so now it will be give me false as my output. Just see, if I'm not understanding, I'll give you in the form of my example only. Okay, guys. So guys, just see, I'll take a true value, truthy value 9, and I'll take a 0, or true value I'll take 8. I want to this comment it out. Guys, just see here. Here I am using or, means here it will be taking the recent truthy value, the recent truthy value 8, because here it will be checking at it will be give me the value as my 0, but 0 or 8 it will be give me every time 8 as my output, guys. Okay, just see, guys. Now if I'm going to change one condition here, and now it will be give me a different answer, it will be called 0, because in your and if one condition become false, it will be not even checking the second one. Okay, this is how we can find this one. The last question for this session, guys. If I'm taking a empty list, okay, then or I am taking a list inside some element, okay, then or, okay, I'll take and then again I just want to take a empty list. Guys, just see, it is a false value. Okay, in truth, in your or condition, it will be true. If one condition it become false, there might be chance that second condition become true. If you see here, this condition it will be become true. So it will be not even checking this one or not. Guys, if you are thinking like that, it will be not checking, but it will guys checking, because we are using and operator. Okay, in and operator it will saying that if one condition become true, there might be chance that second condition there might be a false. Here it will be give me the output as my empty list. Okay, if I'm changing this one, this will be give me the list of 1 2 3. Just see, guys. So this is how you can understood the control flow of this Python. Means based on this operator you can find. Okay, guys, so that's all for this session. If you have any doubt, you can directly contact to TryRight. Thanks for watching TryRight.